And for this look I've got on this camel coatigan, black fine knit jumper, black jeans and black loafers. So I'm going to start off with the camel coatigan, and if you follow my channel already you will know that I have this style of coat slash cardigan already in like a creamy tone, which is beautiful. I absolutely love it. And when I was doing my Black Friday videos, I noticed that Mango now did it in a gorgeous camel tone as well. Well, actually I think they've done it in this tone for quite a while, but it's always been sold out, but it is still currently available, so I will leave it linked. But it's a cross between a coat and a cardigan. It looks like a coat, but it's in a heavy knit, so it feels cozy like a cardigan, and just, yeah, really lovely cozy winter coat-ish. Underneath I've got on this fine knit black top from H&M. I love the style of the sleeves on this. It's got like a little thumb hole, so it makes it, I don't know, it just keeps your hands nice and warm and cozy in the winter. And this is a cashmere blend as well, but I'm pretty sure it's still under £50 considering it's a cashmere blend. Jeans are from Everlane. These are the cheeky jeans in a washed black denim. Love these jeans, really, really great fit. And then I have got on this black belt from Topshop and my black leather loafers from And Other Stories. And I know it's like, for a winter outfit, black leather loafers aren't the most practical, but at the moment I would wear it like this with loafers, and then as it gets chillier I just switch up some boots. And then to finish off the look I have got on my black Chloe bag, and then obviously I've got my gold jewellery on as well. I've just popped on this little C initial necklace from Majuri, just a little chunky C. And then these earrings, they don't technically match, but they're in the same sort of ribbed style of gold as well, so they almost look, they're a very similar tone of gold, and they kind of suit the style of the necklace, so I thought they worked really well together as well. And both of these pieces are gold vermeil, so again a more affordable price point to the 14 karat gold pieces.